I'm going to tell you why that box of ammo is so controversial. If you saw the video a couple weeks ago on AmmoSeek, what we attempted to do was tell everyone how AmmoSeek works. Now, I'm going to be a little more specific about us and what business we're in, just so you understand where I'm coming from. We are a firearms dealer and manufacturer. We're also a security company. We've been in the security business for 23 years. Not touting anything special, I'm just saying we've been taking care of people, family, homes, corporations, music stars, you name it in the security industry, we've done it. And so we've seen a lot of these firearms buying groups come and go over the years. When we first saw AmmoSeek, I really didn't pay much attention to it because as a gun dealer, quite honestly, I don't really care about buying groups. And what we do, so this is important, I think, for you to understand where we are coming from. And when I started working with a social media influencer about 3 or 4 months ago, we were negotiating a contract back and forth, and he came back to me and he said, "Oh, what you do is kind of like a firearms membership, but you get stuff at wholesale." And I really hadn't thought about it at that point. So I think it's important that I tell you what we do that's different from every other security company in the United States. And if you find another one, I apologize. At that point, I really wouldn't know that somebody else was doing this. But we have 2 services as a security company that we do. Not here to promote the services. What I'm here to talk about is what AmmoSeek revealed to me that I was just, not really completely surprised about, but a lot of us gun guys have got to stop being buttholes to other gun guys. It revealed that the gun industry, those of us who really know what we're talking about when it comes to guns and ammo, reveals that a lot of us are like crabs in a bucket. Like somebody's wanting to do something good and help people, and the other one keeps pulling him back down because, no, we've done it this way forever. No, gotta get them out of the bucket. No, get them back in the bucket. But here's what we do. We have 2 services. One is we do security systems, security surveillance and access control, proactive security systems. So if somebody's on the perimeter, the outside of your business or home, it literally will, for you, without you having to interface with it, it will tell the intruder, "Hey, I see you wearing a black shirt and tan shorts. Leave or the police will be called." That's proactive security, okay? The other thing that we do is we do identity theft. Our service is called Identity Lock. Matter of fact, I will give a shameless plug. Why not? That's it right there. Identity Lock. Identity Lock. That's our service. It's $1 million worth of coverage. It covers you, your entire family, your household. It covers your title, mortgage to your home, and the $1 million worth of insurance also covers your family against identity theft. So if something is stolen, it pays to clean it up. So those are the 2 services, but that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk about what AmmoSeek actually does. A lot of people think that AmmoSeek is this big search engine. It goes out on the web, it pulls all the prices from all the different distributors or retailers or gun shops and compiles them for you so you don't have to go search for the price of ammo on the web, which is irritating, right? I mean, you can spend hours searching for stuff. Right now, if you're looking for a Security 380, you're going to spend a couple hours looking for something. If you're looking for the brand new SIG, it ain't available yet. Nobody's got it. That's that new 2011, Kimber. The brand new 2011 Kimber just came out. It ain't available yet. So that's not what AmmoSeek does. I know because when I first looked at AmmoSeek, I thought, how do we get ourselves listed on AmmoSeek? That's a pretty good idea because this box of ammo right here, it's done by a veterans group. Friends of mine owned it, and it's that frangible stuff that is required by a lot of ranges that will not allow lead on there now. So I thought, we'll start helping them sell some of their ammo through AmmoSeek. How do I get listed? Well, I contacted AmmoSeek. You pay as a retailer, distributor, manufacturer for ammo, whatever it is that you want, however you're selling, you have to pay AmmoSeek to be listed on their site. It's not just by their graces and goodwill in their search engine that they go out and they pull all that information together for you. Now, there is a caveat. I'm going to make this caveat. When I looked at AmmoSeek, it's been some time. If they changed their rules, they've changed their process, they've changed their way of doing things, I don't know about it. But that's what I experienced when I tried to get on AmmoSeek. But here was the biggest problem that I found when I ran that video a couple weeks ago. Is, man, I had people get on YouTube and call me everything from a F-tard to an idiot to a shitbag to, I mean, whatever you can think about. The gun aficionados, those of you that are geniuses out there in the gun industry, were telling me how things were done and how they weren't done. I've been doing this 23 years. I promise you that the keyboard warriors out there that are trying to give you advice on where to buy ammo do not know what they are doing. The bad thing is, since I did that video, bad thing for us, since I did that video, we have been overrun with requests about bulk ammo. We're going to try to get through all of them, but there's a lot of requests out there. Here's the best way to buy ammo. And if you're wanting to buy ammo, I'm going to tell this is the best way to do it. Bar none, hands down, is to find somebody that you trust, whether it's through a buying group, and there are buying groups out there, or it's someone like us who has a plan where you have a service, you just say, this is what I'm looking for, and we send it to you at wholesale price. Then you're not spending 3 hours on the web looking for everything. You don't have to figure out what the cheapest frangible is. You literally are buying it at our cost. That, in my most humble opinion. Can I be humble? No, my wife says I can't be humble. I'm working on it. But you guys really, you have a way of rubbing people wrong, because all we're trying to do is help, and then you act like crabs in a bucket when somebody out here is revealing how things are actually done. I did a video yesterday and put it up. I cannot tell you. Now, good thing I have a filter. I have a filter for all of the F-bombs and all the S-bombs and all the GD bombs. It just filters them out. You're going to get deleted. So if you try to do that, it's just going to go away. But I got those yesterday from a video I put up. I was just telling the truth, the unfiltered, unadulterated truth about, something in the gun industry. Why don't you guys try, calming down, don't get on the internet at 10 o'clock at night after 3 beers and think you're going to tell the rest of the world your insight on how to buy guns and ammo. I promise it's probably not the best way to reveal who you really are. Hey, do us a favor, like and subscribe. We're going to keep bringing you the truth whether you like it or not.